DJI don't explain most of what you're looking at on this screen, and that's why it feels confusing at first. So let's focus on the few things that actually matter when you're flying. Top left, this is your flight mode. Cine for smooth shots, normal for everyday flying, and sport for speed. Right next to it, your flight status. This tells you everything is connected and working properly. First, your battery. This shows how much power you've got left and how long you can stay in the air. Tap it and you'll see more detailed battery information, such as the time left to return to home, forced landing, and depleted battery. And next to that is the signal strength between your controller and the drone. Next, your system status. The sensing system status lets you know what the drone is set to do when an obstacle is encountered. If there is a problem or the system is disabled, as when in sport mode, it will turn red. Next is the GPS or satellite status, which tells you how strong your positioning is. Make sure you have at least 10 or 12 satellites before you take off. This is your settings menu. We'll cover this properly in another lesson, but you should know that this is where the obstacle avoidance and return to home options are situated, under the Safety tab. If you are not using optimal return to home, ensure the height set for RTH is higher than any surrounding obstacles. Down here, this shows your distance and height, how far away you are, and how high you are. This is critical for staying safe and in control. Always make sure your home point is set before flying. This is one of the most useful tools on the screen, and it's barely mentioned anywhere. Tap it, and it expands. This shows where you are and where home is. This is the one I mostly use. When it turns green, you're facing your drone. You can also switch to front and rear views to stay aware of obstacles. Over here are your camera controls. We'll cover these properly in another lesson. You don't need to understand everything here. If you understand battery, system status, distance, and the map, you're ready to fly with confidence. A full downloadable PDF guide is available at elevatedperspectives.co.uk if you want a deeper breakdown.